Someone once said that life is measured in achievement, not in years alone. I say you've got to work every damn day to achieve anything worthwhile. You see, records aren't broken at once. They're earned 1 millisecond at a time. Sure, enjoy the chase, build something, then build something better. But when you fail, and you will fail, don't stop trying. Don't be happy with one victory. Aim for 10, 20, 100. Never settle. Push past your limits and start all over again the next day. Because the next day, you are that much better, that much more ready to change the world. Be faster, be smarter, be relentless in your pursuit of speed. Remember that speed has no limits, and neither do you.
2015, OnePlus established the OS development team because we realized that the only perfect integration of software and hardware can bring our users the best experiences. Fast and smooth has long been our goal. So at Pete's request, the FSE team was founded. Now, let's hear their story.
My name is Omega Xu. I'm head of software department.
I'm Gary, head of software product operations.
My name is Shimon and I lead the Indian product team at OnePlus.
我叫刘慧胜，在软件的系统组做性能跟功耗相关的。
My name is Eldis, and I'm the technical leader of Android framework team.
我叫邹峰，我在一家负责系统跟宽稳省的技术体验的优化。
FSC team is fast, stable, efficient project team. I think this is like a backbone of OxygenOS.
I think it's very easy to make the thing is good, but it's very, very hard to make it perfect. Over the last 3 years, we have improved the fundamental experience that have been ignored by most of people.
We care about the detail because most of the user can feel the difference.
我把这个产品做精做细，从14年到现在，我觉得一直在惯行这个理念。
We are doing millisecond by millisecond improvement, or frame by frame, or even milliampere by milliampere.
为了提升屏幕响应2、3毫秒的优化，就跟我们 TV 的供应商做了很多的这种联调，我们来来回回应该调了几百次，供应商觉得我们疯了。
I can work with our CEO Pete. Pete is a person who very focused on detail.
Yeah, he really likes to be there on every stage of development. If I would have to use one word to describe OnePlus, I would say community.
We have a regular meeting face-to-face to communicate with users.
We are providing something that our community not only wants to use, but create with us.
The journey hasn't always been easy, but when we see how satisfied our users are with OxygenOS, we know every sacrifice was worth it.
We understand our direction. We have plenty of good ideas. We have a lot of passion to develop them.
We want to tell the user that we work hard to make a better and better product.
We as humans have always wanted to shape our future, so we unlocked the creativity within. We invented, discovered, reinvented, and rediscovered. We long to see what has never been seen, to do what's never been done, and unlock our true potential. We've always been opening up better experiences for ourselves, and we're not stopping now. OnePlus 6T coming soon.
Two souls joining as one.
In sports, the Gladiators have had much trouble.